Okay, now we have to discuss about some problem related with the assessment year 2021-22. We have already learned that there is a new form of residential status applicable to assessment year 2021-2022 that is known as deemed to be resident in India. Until now, the residential status of an individual may be classified as classified into three types. One is resident and ordinary resident. Second, resident but not ordinary resident and non-resident. Now, there's another residential status from the assessment year 2021-2022 that is known as deemed to be resident in India. Therefore, now we have to discuss about some questions related with the deemed to be resident in India. Okay. Please look at the PPT. I have already typed one question for you. I may read the question. Listen. Raju, an Indian citizen, earns 16 lakhs from India. It does not give any income tax in any part of the world. Is stay in India during 2020-2021 in the previous year. Okay. Is 0 days. Find out his residential status in the assessment year 2021-2022. Okay. Yeah, we have to solve the problem. Okay. Please look at the question again. Raju, an Indian citizen, earns 16 lakhs from India. Okay. And now, please look at the PPT. Deemed to be resident in India as per Finance Act 2020. After clause 1, the following clause shall be inserted, namely 1A, notwithstanding anything contained in clause 1, an individual being a citizen of India having total income other than income from foreign sources exceeding 15 lakh rupees during the previous year shall be deemed to be resident in India in that previous year if he is not liable to tax in any other country or territory by reason of his domicile, residence, or any other criteria of similar nature. Okay. The important amendment related to the question. So please note it. Okay. Now there's an explanation. I may read the explanation. Please listen. For the purpose of this section, the expression income from foreign sources means income which accrues or arises outside India, except income derived from a business control in our profession set up in India. Okay. Now, in this question, as per the newly inserted amendment to Finance Act 2020, as per the amendments of 2020 Finance Act, here we can conclude that the residential status of Mr. Raju is deemed resident. Therefore, Mr. Raju is able to pay income tax in India in the assessment year 2021-2022. As his total income is greater than 15 lakhs, he earns 16 lakhs from India. That means Mr. Raju is liable to pay income tax in India in the assessment year 2021-2022. His residential status is deemed resident. Okay. Now, another question for you. I may read the question. Raju, an Indian citizen, earns 14 lakhs. Raju, an Indian citizen, earns 14 lakhs from India. It does not give any income tax in any part of the world. His stay in India during 2020-2021 is 0 days. 0 days. Find out his residential status in the assessment year 2021-2022. Okay. Here, the relevant amendment as per Finance Act 2020. Please look at the PPT. The relevant amendment, I have already explained the amendment while explaining the solution to the previous question. Therefore, please look at the PPT and read out the relevant amendment related with this question. Okay. There's an explanation section to the amendment. Please note it. So, here, in this question, Mr. Raju, an Indian citizen, earns 14 lakhs, only 14 lakhs. That means his total income is only 40 lakhs. Okay, that means the residential status of Mr. Raju is non-resident. Therefore, he is not liable to pay income tax in India in the assessment year 2021-2022. Okay. Now, there's another question for you. Question number 3. Here, Raju, an Indian citizen, earns 16 lakhs from India. He does not give any income tax in any part of the world. His stay in India during 2020-2021 0 days determine his residential status for the previous year 2020-21, assuming his stay in India during the last few previous years are as follows. Year 2007-2008, 112, likewise 38, 117, 125, 80, 135, 285, 310, 140, 185, 10, 88, and 189. So please find out his residential status in the assessment year 2021-2022. Okay, 2021-2022. Determine the residential status of Raju for the previous year 2020-2021. That means the assessment year 2021-2022. Okay. What is his residential status? His residential status is deemed resident and he is liable to pay income tax in India. A deemed resident will not be a resident and ordinary resident. Okay. Therefore, no need to assess whether he can fulfill additional conditions as per Income Tax Act. His residential status is only deemed resident. He will not be a resident and ordinary resident. Therefore, no need to assess whether he can fulfill additional conditions as per Income Tax Act. Okay. Please wait for another video.